what key do you sing to the national anthem in?
C.
In C.
I sing in C.
Oh, speak and
Yes. What key? Okay, here's trivia for you. What key do I sing "O Canada" in?
Oh, Canada, oh, yes, the free. I think you do it in F.
I actually sing it in the same key that I sing the national anthem.
That's the key of C.
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to have you come down and sing with me at my gig on New Year's Eve, but I guess if you're busy, you're busy. So
It's okay.
this is a song written by Frank Lesser, the guy that wrote Guys and Dolls and some great musicals. A song called "What Are You Doing in New